For my discussion board post for week 2, I'm going to do the practice problems 2-3 from the textbook. So it states that a group of enterprising engineering students has developed a process for extracting combustible methane gas from cow manure. Don't worry, the exhaust is odorless. With a specially adapted internal combustion engine, the students claim that an automobile can be propelled 15 miles per day from the cow gas produced by a single cow. Their experimental car can travel 60 miles per day for an estimated cost of $5. This is the allocated cost of the methane process equipment. The cow manure is essentially free. So how many cows would it take to fuel 1 million miles of annual driving by a fleet of cars? And then also, what is the annual cost? So for this problem, I'm going to start out to, let's see, we've got 2-3, part 1, and they want to know the number of cows first. So all you'll have to do is you have to take the mileage, the annual mileage, and that's miles per year. Okay, and then after you take that, all you have to do is you have to get this in, not just, you have to take into account that there's 365 days per year and 15 miles per day. Okay, so then you have to take, so then this cancels out, alright? And you'll have that and that, cancels, days, years, and then you're just left with the number of cows, okay? So you also have, so that's 100,000. And then you take your calculator, and if you want to calculate the bottom number, and then you divide that divided by 5, and that leaves you with 182.6, and obviously you cannot have 0.6 of a cow, so you need to just round that up to 183 cows. That's for part of part 1. Okay, so then what would be your yearly cost at that point? Make that an A, make this part B of this one. Okay, so your yearly cost then all you have to do is take your miles per year alright, and then you need to take your ratio of your $5 per 60 miles per day. So those are both miles per day. So, alright, so then those will cancel out. The miles cancel. And let's add that. So you've got 5 divided by 60, and that's times your 1 million. Make sure you have enough zeros in there. Okay. So that's 83,333 dollars, and that's per year. Okay. So then on part 2, it's asking, how does your part A compare to a gasoline fuel car averaging 30 miles per gallon when the cost of gas is $3 per gallon? So this one, you have to take to get your yearly cost, and then you can compare it. So you'll have, you have your miles per year, and if you're averaging 30 miles per gallon, we'll take this, take the 1 million and divide it by 30 miles per gallon. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take that and multiply it by your $3 per gallon. Okay, then those should cancel. Those will cancel. And then you end up having, alright, so you can do your $1 million divided by 30. Alright. And then you're going to want to take that and multiply it by $3. Make sure I did that correct. Let's see. I feel like that's a little bit high. Divided by 30 times 3. Okay, so that's right. Let's see. So it's just $100,000. And that's per year. All right, so the second part of this one, it's really, you got to calculate this cost, and then you also have to take, to get your annual cost, you need to take this number, this yearly cost, and then you need to take that and you need to subtract it from this yearly cost from part A. Well, for part 2, or for part 1, part B, sorry. And then when you do that, you end up with $16,667 per year more to fuel the fleet with gas.